In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Genspark AI Desktop for video script. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. This is the quickest way to find the official platform if you're not already on the website. Once the search results appear, look for the listing that says Genspark, your all-in-one AI workspace, and click it. Make sure you're selecting the official site so you can access the correct tools and features. After the site loads, you'll be ready to begin building your video script. In the main prompt area, type in or paste your prompt. This is where you tell the AI exactly what kind of help you want. A useful way to start is by giving the agent a clear role so it understands the style and structure you're aiming for. For example, you can begin with an instruction telling it to act like a professional screenwriter and script doctor, and to help format, pace, and write a script using standard industry formatting. The reason this matters is because the quality of your result often depends on how specific your prompt is. If you give the AI clear direction from the beginning, it can produce a more focused and polished script. Try to be direct about the tone, purpose, and format you want, especially if you're creating content for a video, presentation, or storytelling project. Once your prompt is ready, click Submit to start generating. At that point, Genspark will begin processing your request and creating the script based on your instructions. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish. And that's the basic process for using Genspark AI Desktop for video script creation. With the right prompt and a clear goal, you can get much stronger script results right from the start.